The 5th Annual Conference of the European Academy of Religion takes place in Bologna, Italy from June 20th to 23rd. The European Academy of Religion is a research initiative launched under the high patronage of the European Parliament. As an independent scientific organization, it aims to provide a framework to foster research communication, exchange and cooperation among scholars, universities, centers, and publishers. The overarching topic for this year's conference is religion and diversity. Many researchers, religious institutions, and NGOs are gathering together to discuss wide-range topics, including religious diversity, the impact of regulations and administration on religious and spiritual movement, and so on. One of the panels attracts particular interest is the panel 295, New Religious and Spiritual Movement, Discrimination and Democracy in Taiwan. The panel is chaired by Ms. Rosita Scherete from European Federation for Freedom of Belief, FOB. Dr. Massimo Introvigna, joined by Annie Chang, Claire Huang, and Marco Respinti, discussed the discrimination of spiritual movements, tax as a tool to discriminate freedom of religion or belief, and limits of redress mechanism in Taiwan. Dr. Introvigna said that the Tai Ji Men case is not about taxes only. It is a case where rogue bureaucrats and politicians first tried unsuccessfully to destroy a spiritual movement accused of not supporting the powers that be, then frustrated by their legal defeat, continue to harass it through taxes. The case is at the crossroads of religious liberty and tax justice, and is a crucial test for Taiwan's democratic achievements. Annie shared her observation about why the case continued unsolved for more than 25 years. She points out 6 problems in Taiwan, including 1/3 prepay rule for tax liability under contesting, the original tax decision is never revoked, flaws in the Taxpayers' Rights Protection Act, intra-procedural disqualification, defendant being refused to access evidences used against them, and lack of accountability. Claire mentions that global community of scholars and activists now follow the development of the Tai Ji Men case almost on a daily basis. As a result, it remains for Taiwan's government to take note that solving the Tai Ji Men case is a necessary part of a process that will persuade those young women and men in Taiwan passionate for human rights.
It is here that the Tai Ji Men movement is indirectly concerned.
Mr. Respinti said that a good government is a government which rules respecting a superior law, natural, thus divine. The question of taxes goes then directly religious, and the relation between taxes and justice, or taxes and the moral, even divine, foundations of just laws in a righteous state proves that all political questions are ultimately at their core theological questions. Therefore, the Tai Ji Men case may seem to be just a question of taxation. Indeed, it is a preeminent case of religious liberty. During the 4 days conference, not only is Tai Ji Men case discussed, many issues related to religion are also explored and debated. The conference provides a platform where people from different backgrounds have the chance to speak up and engage with one another. Through the platform, it is expected that everyone's right to freedom of thoughts, conscience, and religion should be respected and protected.